Hi and welcome to Digital Forest. Today in this tutorial I will show you guys how to install WordPress on your local host. So usually you install WordPress on your cPanel powered web hosts, but in some cases you may want to install it on your local host. So before deploying it live, you may want to do some custom modifications to your website before publishing it on right. So to initiate, what we'll do, like we will download XAMPP from apachefriends.org website. I will add the URL of this website in the description of your video. From here you can download the XAMPP for Windows, Linux or your Mac operating system. So to start, I will download it for Windows. Once it's downloaded, you can simply install it like just any other Windows application. So I will cancel it as I have already downloaded and installed it on my machine. So once it's downloaded, you will have to activate the XAMPP server. So we will launch the XAMPP control panel. From here, make sure Apache and MySQL both services are running. Next, to set up the WordPress, we need to download the fresh copy of WordPress. We will download it from here, from the official website of WordPress.org. We will set it up under the XAMPP directory. Head out to htdocs folder. Here we will create a new folder and we will name it Digital Forest. Once downloaded, you can simply extract it to the root Digital Forest directory. Next we will proceed to the installation directory. Make sure the core files are moved to the root Digital Forest folder, or you can name this anything. Delete these two files as we don't need them now. Next, we need to run the WordPress installation. So we will write it down here, localhost / digital forest, and it will start off the WordPress installer. Simply select your desired language and press continue. Next, it will ask you for database name, database username, password and host. So we need to create a new database for this WordPress installation. To do that, we will head out to the PHP myadmin of our localhost. Here we need to create a new database. We'll simply name it Digital Forest. Click create. So on locals, we already have some privileges assigned to the root username. So we don't need to create another user with a different password. So what we'll do, like we will simply enter the database name. Under username, we will add root as our username. Password field, you can leave it blank. Click submit. It will ask you to a final confirmation to run the installation. Simply click this button and it will install the WordPress. Next, it will ask you for this certain information. Site title, we can write down here Digital Forest. Username, you can define your own username here. Right now I will just keep it admin. I will check this, confirm use of weak password. Email can be info@localhost.com. Click install WordPress. So that's it, WordPress has been installed. So we can now log in to the admin panel of our WordPress website. So that's it. We have a fresh copy of WordPress installed on our local host. Next step is, like in some cases you may want to change the URL of your current WordPress or your new WordPress installation. So to do that, we need, if you, for example, if you want to change this digital forest to something else, we can do it via changing the WordPress address URL. Here from digital forest we can change it to YouTube. That's it. Press save changes. Yeah, so to fix this we need to rename this folder. We will rename it we need to close this. Yeah, so we will run it again. That's it. So you now have a fresh copy of WordPress running on your local host. You can install any theme or plugin, you can just continue working on your website before you move it to your live hosting account. That's it. In case if you have any questions or suggestions, do let me know in the comment section.
These days I can't get you out of my mind. Calling for me